So what do you get to do?
I'll go open my gifts.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Just a little bit. Come on, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
What you gonna do?
I will open my gifts.
Okay.
You gonna open a gift?
Yes.
Oh.
What you gonna pick, man? Go ahead.
Here.
Just put it down. Go ahead. Whoa!
Boulder.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Oh my God! What you think?
I think it's a boulder.
All right, man.
You want some more lights on, or you good?
I'm good now. I guess.
Good. Daddy, I'll take off some more.
You can open another one if you want to.
I will open it.
That's bulldozer, huh?
Yes.
Just boulder.
Huh?
Boulder.
Oh, boulder.
What is that, man?
Spider-Man. What is this? That's blades.
Who is that?
Hey!
Blades. They're boulders.
You let them open. Now I don't even say someone from the mall.
Open them on. It's Christmas. What?
Chase.
What?
Face.
Yeah. It's Chase.
So what you got there? You got
Chase.
awesome, man.
Got Chase, got Blaze, got
Boulder.
Boulder.
Where's Heatwave?
He's right here.
Yeah, he went right there.
So you got all of them, all the rescue bots now.
Yeah. I want to buy.
That's. You're like, who is that? You know who that is?
That's the
Wolverine.
Wolverine.
He got the claws.
Yeah, he got the claws.
Woohoo! So now you got Spider-Man, Wolverine.
Yeah.
What's up, boy?
Good.
You like him?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Can you get it?
Yes.
It's Dr. Doom.
That's you.
from Hero Squad.
A Hero Squad.
He's bad. So now you got somebody to beat up on. Ha ha
Nice got somebody to be on.
ha. All right, man. What you want to open next?
This.
Okay.
This.
You gonna open all of the rest of them?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna save those over there to open?
Yes.
Right there?
Yes.
Look. You wanna save those?
Yes.
Okay, you wanna open them later?